Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NEET Academy. This is the third session of integration for second year inter students. So in this session also we are going to solve some 2 marks questions. So next 2 marks question is integration e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. E power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. So tan inverse x differentiation is 1 plus x square. So let us consider, let tan inverse x equal to t. Tan inverse x is equal to t. So tan inverse x equal to t, both side differentiate with respect to x, we get tan inverse x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square equal to dt by dx. So 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt. So in place of tan inverse x, write t. So 1 by 1 plus x square into dx become dt. So integration e power t plus c. So in place of t substitute tan inverse x. So e power tan inverse x plus c. Next 24th. Integration secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole cube into dx. So tan x differentiation is secant square x. So let us consider, let tan x is equal to t. So both side differentiate with respect to x. So tan x differentiation secant square x is equal to dt by dx. So secant square x dx equal to dt. So here 1 plus tan x is there, 1 differentiation 0. So let us consider 1 plus tan x. So 1 differentiation 0, tan x differentiation secant square x. So in place of secant square x dx dt, 1 by 1 plus tan x is t, it become 1 by t cube into dt. So 1 by x power n, 1 by x power n formula, minus 1 by n minus 1 into x power n minus 1. So write 3 minus 1 into t power 3 minus 1 plus c. So minus 1 by 2t square plus c. In place of t substitute the value 1 plus tan x, to 2 into 1 plus tan x whole square plus c. So next 25th one, integration e power log x by x into dx. So log x differentiation is 1 by x. So let us consider, let log x is equal to t, both side differentiate with respect to x. So log x differentiation 1 by x is equal to dt by dx. So 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. Now it become integration e power t. So 1 by x into dx become dt. Integration e power t. So in place of t substitute log x, e power log x plus c. E power log x plus c, in place of t substitute log x. So I consider log x equal to t. So differentiate that one. Next 26th one, sin of log x by x. This is also same. Consider log x equal to t. Let log x is equal to t, both side differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by log x differentiation is 1 by x is equal to dt by dx. So 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. Now substitute this value. Sin of log x is t, so sin t, 1 by x dx become dt. So integration of sin t minus cos t plus c minus cos of, in place of t write log x, cos of log x minus cos of log x plus c. So this is 26th one. Next one, so 26 over, next 27th one, integration log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x into dx. So log x differentiation is 1 by x. So let us consider, let log of 1 plus x equal to t. So both side differentiate with respect to x. So log x 1 by x. So again differentiate 1 plus x, we get 0 plus 1 1. So is equal to dt by dx. So 1 by 1 plus x into dx become dt. Now integration log of 1 plus x is t, dx by 1 plus x become dt. So integration t value is t square plus c. In place of t, substitute log of 1 plus x whole square plus c. Next 28. Next 28th question is integration 1 by 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x into dx. So differentiate x plus 1 by x, we get 1 minus 1 by x square, because x differentiation is 1 and 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. So let us consider, let x plus 1 by x equal to t. So both side differentiate with respect to x. So we get x differentiation 1 by x differentiation 1 by x square equal to dt by dx. So 1 minus 1 by x square into dx, it become dt. 1 minus 1 by x square into dx become dt. Now integration e power this one t into 1 minus 1 by x square into dx become dt. So integration e power t is e power t plus c. In place of t, substitute x plus 1 by x plus c. So this is 28th one. Next 29th question, integration sin power 4x by cos power 6x dx. First simplify it, sin power 4x by cos power 4x into, here cos power 6x, again we have 1 cos square x into dx. So sin by cos tan power 4x 1 by cos secant square x dx. So tan x differentiation is secant square x. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. So let us consider, let tan x is equal to t. Both side differentiate with respect to x. So tan x differentiation is secant square x is equal to dt by dx. So secant square x is equal to dt by dx. So secant square x dx equal to dt. So secant square x dx become dt, tan x t. So you can write t power 4 into dt. T power 4 means t power 5 by 5 plus c. So t value is tan x. So tan x power 5 by 5 plus c. Next question number 30. Right, next one, question number 30. Integration e power x of 1 plus x by cos square of x into e power x into dx. So let us consider x into e power x differentiate, we get this one. So let x into e power x equal to t, both side differentiate with respect to x. So here differentiation of u into v form. So u v dash x into e power x differentiation e power x plus e power x into x differentiation 1. Next t differentiation dt by dx. So x into e power x plus e power x into 1. So here e power x, take it as common, we get 1 plus x into dx equal to dt. So e power x into 1 plus x dx become dt. Next 1 by, so cos square x into e power x is t, 1 by cos square t into dt. So 1 by cos square theta equal to secant square theta. So secant square t into dt, integration secant square t tan t. So in place of tan t, substitute t value tan of x into e power x plus c. Next 31. Integration of 1 plus log x power n by x into dx. So log x differentiation 1 by x, let us consider 1 plus log x. 1 differentiation is 0, so that's why I am consider 1 plus log x equal to t. So both side differentiate with respect to x. So 1 differentiation is 0, 1 differentiation 0, log x differentiation 1 by x equal to dt by dx. So 1 by x into dx become dt. So integration 1 plus log x value t power n dx by x, and means 1 by x into dx value become dt. So this is t power n means x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So in place of t, substitute 1 plus log x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is 31. Next question number 32. It's a very important problem. So integration 1 by x log x of log x into dx. So in this, consider log of log x equal to 2, we get 1 by x log x. So let log of log x is equal to t. So both side differentiate with respect to x. So first log of log x means log this one consider as x, log x differentiation is 1 by x means 1 by log x into d by dx of again differentiate log x inner function equal to dt by dx. So 1 by log x into again differentiate here log x value 1 by x, so equal to dt by dx. So 1 by x log x into dx equal to dt. Right, substitute here integration 1 by x log x dx value become dt, 1 by log of is equal t. So 1 by t into dt. So integration of 1 by x log x. So log t plus c. Log of, in place of t substitute t value. So log of log x. So log of log x plus c. Next 33. Integration cos root x by root x into dx. Let us consider root x is equal to t. So both side differentiate with respect to x. So root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x equal to dt by dx. So 1 by 2 root x into dx equal to dt. But we have 1 by root x, not 2 root x. So 2 multiply that side, we get 1 by root x into 2x is equal to 2 dt. So integration cos, in place of root x substitute t, and 1 by root x dx become 2 dt. So 2 constant right outside, cos t into dt, integration of cos x sin x. So integration cos t sin t, 2 sin t plus c, 2 sin of, in place of t substitute root x. So 2 into sin root x plus c. Next question number 34. Right. Integration e power x cot of e power x into dx. E power x cot of e power x dx. So let us consider, let e power x is equal to t, both side differentiate with respect to x. So e power x differentiation e power x equal to dt by dx. So e power x into dx equal to dt. E power x into dx equal to dt. So e power x dx become dt, we get cot t into dt. So integration of cot t log mod sin t. Integration cot x log mod sin x. So log mod sin, in place of t substitute e power x plus c. Next 35. So secant x, integration secant x into log of secant x plus tan x into dx. Log of secant x plus tan x into dx. So this is important one. So here consider, let log of secant x plus tan x equal to t. Both side differentiate with respect to x. So first differentiate this one, log this one x, log x differentiation 1 by x means 1 by secant x plus tan x into again differentiate inner function d by dx of secant x plus tan x equal to dt by dx. Again simplify here, 1 by secant x plus tan x, secant x plus tan x into differentiate again this one d by dx of secant x differentiation secant x tan x plus tan x differentiation secant square x equal to dt by dx. In numerator take it as common secant x, so we get secant x plus tan x. Take it as common secant x, we get one secant x and here tan x by secant x plus tan x into dx equal to dt. So secant x plus tan x get cancelled. Now we can write secant x into dx equal to dt. Now our integration value become, so what is integration? Secant x into log of secant x plus tan x into dx. So secant x into secant x into dx become dt. So log of secant x plus tan x we can take it as t. So t into dt, integration t square by 2 plus c. So in place of t substitute the value log of secant x plus tan x whole square by 2 plus c. So this is 35th, 31 is very important problem, right. Next one 36, integration x square by under root of 1 minus x power 6 dx. So x square by under root of 1 minus x power 6 we can write as x cube whole square into dx. Now let us consider x cube equal to t, both side differentiate with respect to x. Both side differentiate with respect to x. So x cube differentiation is 3x square is equal to dt by dx. So 3x square into dx equal to dt. So we have x square into dx. So now x square into dx become dt by 3. So in place of x square dx write dt by 3. Now 1 by under root of 1 minus x cube t. So it become t square. X square into dx equal to dt by 3. So 1 by 3 write outside. 1 by under root of 1 minus t square. 1 by under root of 1 minus t square, it is sin inverse x, means sin inverse t plus c. So 1 by 3 sin inverse of, in place of t substitute x cube plus c. So integration x square by under root of 1 minus x power 6 dx value 1 by 3 sin inverse x cube plus c. Next 37. Integration cot of log x by x into dx. Cot of log x by x into dx. Now here let us consider, let log x is equal to t. So both sides differentiate with respect to x. We get log x differentiation 1 by x is equal to dt by dx. So 1 by x into dx equal to dt. Now substitute here cot t, cot log x value t, dx by x value dt, cot t dt. Integration of cot t log mod sin t plus c. So log mod sin, in place of t write log x. So log mod sin of log x plus c. Next 38. Integration a into x power n minus 1 by b into x power n plus c into dx. So x power n differentiation is n into x power n minus 1. We can differentiate x power n, we get x power n minus 1 value. So let us consider, let x power n is equal to t, both sides differentiate with respect to x. So n into x power n minus 1 equal to dt by dx. So x power n minus 1 into dx equal to dt by n. Substitute here a into x power n minus 1 into dx become dt by n. Now here a by b into x power n is t plus c into dt by n. Here a constant, n constant, both right outside. A by n integration 1 by bt plus c into dt. A by n integration 1 by x is total constant, integration 1 by x log x bt plus c. Again differentiate bt plus c, we get t. Again bt plus c differentiate b constant and t is b constant, we get, so b into 1, b into 1 plus c is 0. So again differentiate this, we get b, write in denominator plus c. Now a by b into n, bn into log of b, in place of t write x power n, b into x power n plus c of this one, already c is there, write here c dash. Already one c is there, so write this arbitrary constant as c dash. So this is 38th. Right, next 39. Integration 2x plus 3 by under root of x square plus 3x minus 4 into dx. Right. Let us consider x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to t. Why? Because x square plus 3x minus 4 differentiation we get 2x plus 3. So both sides differentiate with respect to x. Now x square differentiation is 2x, 3x differentiation is 3 and minus 4 differentiation is 0. So 2x plus 3 equal to dt by dx. Now 2x plus 3 into dx equal to dt. 2x plus 3 dx, in place of 2x plus 3 dx write dt, we get integration 1 by under root of x square plus 3x minus 4 is t, 1 by root t into dt. So integration 1 by root x, 2 root x means 2 root t plus c. So 2 root, in place of t write x square plus 3x minus 4 plus c. Next question number 40. Integration x into log x into dx. So let us consider log x equal to t, both sides differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by x equal to dt by dx, 1 by x into dx equal to dt. So 1 by x into dx become dt. Again we have 1 by here log x there, 1 by t into dt. Integration of 1 by x log x. So log mod t plus c, in place of t write log mod of log x plus c. So log of mod log x plus c. Next question number 41. Integration 1 by 1 plus e power x into dx. Here we have only one function e power x. So in numerator adding and subtract with e power x, we can have two functions. It is changes into two functions. So here adding e power x and subtracting e power x by 1 plus e power x into dx. 1 plus e power x one term and minus e power x another term, separate the two terms. So integration 1 plus e power x by 1 plus e power x minus e power x by 1 plus e power x into dx. Now integration apply both the functions, it become integration. So here 1 plus e power x get cancel, integration of dx, integration of dx minus integration of e power x by 1 plus e power x dx. So this is integration dx become x minus, in this let us consider e power x equal to t. So both side differentiate with respect to x. So e power x equal to dt by dx, e power x dx equal to dt. Now integration e power x dx become dt 1 plus e power x. So 1 is there, 1 is constant 0. Let us consider 1 plus e power x. So 1 plus e power x is t. So 1 by t into dt. So integration 1 by x log x, log mod t plus c. So x minus of log, in place of t substitute 1 plus e power x plus c. So this is 41. Next question number 42. Integration 1 by e power x plus e power minus x dx. Integration 1 by e power x plus e power minus x dx. So simplify it, e power x plus e power minus x become 1 by e power x. So e power x multiply here, e power x into e power x whole square plus 1 by e power x into dx. So it become e power x by whole square plus 1 into dx. Now here let us consider e power x equal to t, both side differentiate with respect to x. So we get e power x equal to dt by dx. So e power x dx equal to dt. E power x dx become dt. So 1 by e power x is t. Now t square plus 1 into dt. So integration 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration 1 by 1 plus t square means integration 1 by 1 plus x square. Formula tan inverse t plus c. So in place of t substitute e power x. So tan inverse e power x plus c. Next question number 43. Integration cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square into dx. So here let us consider 1 plus sin x equal to t. So both side differentiate with respect to x. So we get 1 is 0, sin x differentiation cos x equal to dt by dx. So cos x dx become dt. Now apply here, cos x dx become dt. 1 by 1 plus sin x value t. So 1 by t square into dt. 1 by x power n minus 1 by n minus 1 t power n minus 1 plus c. Minus 1 by t plus c. Minus 1 by, in place of t substitute 1 plus sin x. So minus 1 by 1 plus sin x plus C. So this is 43. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubt. Take care. Bye bye.